You should lay down and let her lick your face. Patches! Patches!
Okay.
No holes. Don't move. Don't move. She's gonna go crazy. She can't handle it.
Stop.
Patches!
Stop.
Like, don't move. She wants you to fight. It's gonna drive her nuts. She has no clue what to do. Attack! Give him kisses! Give him kisses, Patches. Aww. She said, I missed you. Too bad she's not more well behaved to go to school with you.
Oh. She looked me and stuck in my head.
Told you she loves you.
I'm gonna take my socks off.
She wants to help you.
She wants to what? Oh yeah, she does. Oh!
Make sure those go in your dirty laundry.
How many seconds there are? She's just a cheater!
Don't let her bite your shirt.
Okay, get it. Got ya! Oh no! I'm in danger of being missed. I knew that was gonna happen.
Patches!
All I need is a dog.
Patches! No tearing, Patches!
Patches, no tear. Patches, no tear.
Moosey. They're crazy, huh?
How about Moose and Patches?
He doesn't want to play.
Moosey.
You guys are dumb.
Oh, Moosey. I think she just likes the armpit. I'm kidding.
I don't like chasing people.
Yeah, Moose here. Here you go. Oh, here you go. This is gonna be funny.
No, it's not. You don't want to play.
See, that's funny. No.
Moosey's such a gentleman.
Wait. Whoa, I'm gonna have tug of war.
Not with your socks, you're not.
Okay.
Release. Stop it. That's not fair for her. That's not fair for her.
What am I gonna use?
I don't know. Use a washcloth.
Okay.
No, one of the ones in the cabinet.
Is there?
No, there's socks in there, in the bottom of the cabinet. In the towel cabinet that I was going to use for scraps, whatever. It's in the bottom. There's socks down there.
Way bottom?
Yeah. I was going to use them for cleaning.
Oh! I mean, in the second one.
In the
Down?
bottom, I don't know. Did you find some socks in there? Okay. Isn't that one a little bit small?
Yeah, it's okay. Wait. Sometimes she just takes the food right out of my mouth.
She might not like that one as much as clean. Careful, don't pull her teeth out.
This is funny. She's cheating. She's so cheating.
How is she cheating? You're the one using 2 hands.
I'm winning.
Okay, they're cheating. Looks like I helped you. Can I have it? Oh, they're gonna play together.
Oh, I think we're gonna have double war. Hey, see me?